You probably clicked this video because you're wondering if it's even worth it to open an Etsy shop or continue with your current shop. And I'm here today to tell you that yes, it is definitely worth it, especially as we head into the new year. I found 9 digital product shops that are new. And by new, I mean these shops are all a year or newer, and they're earning anywhere from $28,000 to over $100,000. And make sure that you stick with me because I cannot wait to show you the shop that is again under 1 year old, but it has made $112,000. And if you'd like me to do a version of this video for print on demand shops, go ahead and let me know in the comment section below. I think it'd be pretty fun to do. Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Danya, and here on my channel and in my online membership, I help other people grow their Etsy shops quickly like I did with both my digital download and my print on demand shop. And although I'm a top 1% seller now, believe me, I know the struggle. I quit my shop twice before I was able to figure it out because I thought that Etsy was overrated, overcrowded, and oversaturated. I also didn't really know what I was doing. So my story is proof to you that yes, there is still room for you on the platform. You can definitely do well, but don't take my word for it. Let me show you. And as we go through these shops, here's what I want you to think about. By this time next year, your future self could be thanking you for starting or continuing today. Let's get into it. Before we dive in though, if you're not quite sure what you want to sell or you're looking for inspiration of new items to offer in your shop, I did create a free list for you of 25 digital product ideas. If you want to grab a free copy, go ahead and leave the word digital below in the comment section and I'll make sure I get that over to you. We're also going to be using Everbee today to do our research. And if you don't know by now, I love Everbee. It's one of my favorite research tools when I'm doing my market research and with email marketing as well. If you want to try it out for free, I will have a link below in the description for you. Let's get into it. For number 1, we have a coloring book shop. This one in particular is only a 10-month-old shop with 2,700 orders. Let's do a bit of quick math to break that down to get the average orders per month and the average orders per day. So 2,700 divided by 10. So they're getting on average about 270 orders a month. Let's break that down per day. So we'll divide it by 30. And on average, they're getting about 9 orders a day. So that is completely doable. And when you break it down like that, it doesn't feel so overwhelming. Now I want to show you their top selling item. And that would be this coloring book of 54 pages of how to draw patterns. It has that bestseller badge on the top left, and it's in over 20 carts. And keep in mind that information is coming directly from Etsy. However, if we're using Everbee, right above that, we can see that this particular item has had about 90 orders this month alone. In the lifetime of the listing, it's had almost 600, and it's only a 7-month-old listing. But now I want to show you the total revenue that this shop has earned. And Everbee shows us here that this shop has an active total revenue of $28,304. Again, it's only a 10-month-old shop. So I hope that helps put into perspective the possibilities. But keep watching because it's only going to get better from here. And for shop number 2, we have a 9-month-old PNG SVG clip art style of shop. In the 9-month lifetime of the shop, it has almost 15,000 orders. Let's do that quick math again to break it down by month and then by day. So 14,900 divided by 9 months. That is over 1,600 orders a month. Break it down by the day. That is 55 orders on average per day for a 9-month-old shop. That is so exciting. Let me show you their top selling item. And that would be this Juneteenth SVG PNG bundle. And right now, Everbee is showing that it hasn't had any sales this month. And that would make sense because Juneteenth is not coming up yet. But what we can see over the lifetime of the listing, it has had 950 orders in only a 7-month time frame. Now, this one will begin to pick up again, probably around April or May, and definitely June, of course, of next year. But goes to show you that you can have one listing really carry your shop. It doesn't take having a lot of listings. Let's look at the total revenue that this shop has earned. And Everbee is showing us that this shop has earned $32,518 in a 9-month lifetime. Very cool. Let's hop into the next digital shop. All right. And for number 3, we have another PNG SVG shop. This one in particular is only an 8-month-old shop with 7,600 orders. Again, very impressive. Let's check out that quick math on that. 7,600 divided by 8, and that's 950 orders on average per month. Now by day, that will be almost 32 orders on average each day. And that is very, very doable, even for a new shop. This one here isn't even a year old. Let me show you their top selling item. And that would be a Thanksgiving PNG bundle. Very cute. Thanksgiving just ended, but don't let that deter you or make you think that that you have to have a holiday related item in order to do well. You don't. Just showing you the potential. This month it's had 252 orders, and for this month it goes back for the last 30 days from today. So I'm filming this video around mid-December. Well, a month ago Thanksgiving would have been just coming up. But within that time frame, 252 orders. In the 3-month lifetime of the listing, 634 sales. I mean, that is incredible and really encouraging and really motivating. Then we can see that Etsy is showing us that it is a bestseller. No big shocker there. But when you put it all together, it's just a great indicator that there is room for you. Etsy is not oversaturated. You just want to be strategic about how you approach your shop. Now we're going to check out the total revenue that the shop has earned so far. And per Everbee, that amount is $35,384 for a new shop. Very encouraging, very motivating. I'm hoping that you're feeling inspired to open your shop, or if your shop is struggling, to rework it, revamp it, have a different perspective on it, see what you can do differently. And by the way, if you are looking for a second set of eyes for your shop, I do offer shop audits. I'll have a link below in the description for you if you want to get a personalized shop audit. Now let's hop into the next digital shop. Okay, we are moving right along into number 4, and we have an 11-month-old recipe shop, which I think is a really good idea for shop, by the way. But this new shop, 11-month-old, has had 8,300 orders. So you know I'm going to do that quick math. We are at 8,300 divided by 11. And this shop is getting 754 orders on average per month divided by the day, and that is 25 orders a day, which is really cool and really exciting. Let me show you their top selling item, and that would be this recipe for a Jell-O sugar cookie. That looks good and that sounds good. I'm a little hungry now, but it's currently in over 18 carts. Now we can go to the top of it, and Everbee is showing us that it's had 93 sales this month. In the 8-month lifetime of the listing, it's had over 600 orders. I mean, that's incredibly impressive. Now let's check out the total revenue that this shop has earned, and that is $47,696. Again, it's only a 1-year-old shop, 11 months, which is incredible. Now we're going to hop into the next shop. Number 5, we have a 10-month-old Printable wall art shop with 3,700 sales. And that may not sound that impressive to you, but I'm going to show you that total revenue in a second. Let's check out their top selling item, and that would be this personalized nursery pennant name print. Very pretty. I really, really like that a lot. I'm not shocked it's doing so well. Anyway, Etsy is showing us that we have a bestseller badge on it, and 3 people bought the item in the last 24 hours. Now, Everbee is showing us that this month it's had 119 sales with a total order count over the 8-month lifetime of the listing of over 1,300 orders from one listing. Now we're going to check out that total revenue. And remember, we have a 10-month-old shop. In the 10-month lifetime, it has earned $51,311. That is incredible. Now we're getting into the potentially life-changing money for people. There is room for you, I'm telling you. And we're looking at different types of shops too. That way you don't feel like you have to be pigeonholed into one shop type. You can take this among a number of different shop types. Now let's hop into the next one. If you're watching this and thinking that you might be ready, but you need help with knowing what to sell, that's exactly what I do inside of my Done For You niche club. Each week, I share real-time, low competition products and niches that I've researched for you myself. That way it'll help you get out of the rabbit hole and begin taking action today in your shop. I'll have a link below in the description for you if you want to check it out. Now let's get back to the other shops. Okay, and for number 6, we have a Printable meal planning shop, which I think that's a really cool idea for a shop too. It is a 10-month-old shop with 9,900 sales. We're going to do that quick math. So we have 9,900 divided by 10, and the shop is bringing in nearly 1,000 orders on average per month. Break it down by the day, and that is 33 orders on average per day, which is very cool. Now let's check out their top selling item. And it's a printable anti-inflammatory food list. We're being shown here from Etsy that we do have that bestseller badge, and 2 people bought it in the last 24 hours. At the top, Everbee is showing us that this month it's had 93 orders with a nearly 500 sales in the 8-month lifetime of the listing. This one is really cool. I think that's an interesting angle for a shop. It might be something that you want to think about if you're thinking of pivoting or opening a shop. Now we're going to check out the total revenue that Everbee is showing us, and that is $66,199 in a 10-month time frame. This can be somebody's salary. I'm hoping you're seeing the potential here of what could happen for you too. Let's move into shop number 7. And this one I'm really excited to show you. Here we have an editable template shop. And editable templates do well all the time in every niche, every day, all year on Etsy. This shop in particular is only an 11-month-old shop with 22,900 sales in under a year. I want to do the math on that one. So 22,900 divided by 11, and this shop is getting on average over 2,000 orders a month. Let's break it down by the day, and it's averaging nearly 70 orders every day from editable templates. Now we're going to check out their top selling item, which is an editable football ticket. That's really cute, and that's a really good idea. We're currently in football season, so I can see why this one would be doing so well. However, it's a really cool concept. Etsy is showing us that we have that bestseller badge, and 6 people bought it in the last 24 hours. The listing is only 11 months old with over 200 orders this month. And in the lifetime of this shop, remember, it's only 11 months old, is $72,356. That is beyond impressive and really inspiring. And that kind of reminds me of what I've said earlier, that you never know, your future self could be thanking you a year from today. So here we are a year later, and this shop has earned over $72,000. Let's move into shop number 8. And we have a 7-month-old downloadable pattern shop with 7,000 orders. Doing the math on that one, 7,000 divided by 7, and the shop is getting about 1,000 orders on average per month. Breaking it down by the day, and the shop is getting about 33 orders per day. Very cool. Anything crochet related, pattern related, cross stitch, embroidery, those types of things, if you can take a pattern and create a digital version of it, that is a fantastic shop idea. I've done quite a few other unsaturated digital product types to sell, and the crochet, the patterns, those are always in the top 4 doing incredibly well. That will be a great shop idea if that's something that you know how to do. Now we're going to check out their top selling pattern, and it is this really cute duffel bag pattern. It is a bestseller, and people bought it in the last 24 hours. Everbee is showing us that this month, the last 30 days, it's had over 300 sales. In the 5-month lifetime of the listing, over 1,100 from one listing. Now I have to show you the total revenue for the shop, and that amount is $108,463 in this new shop. Don't forget, it's only a 7-month-old shop. Let's move into number 9. Okay, and for number 9, we have our top earner of the group. And the concept of this shop in particular, I find to be very interesting. Their demographic is for people who co-parent. There's always going to be a need for co-parenting. There's never going to have a lower demand for that. So I like that the majority of their products in their shop are targeted for people who need to co-parent and need certain type of templates and certain types of downloads in order to help facilitate the co-parenting. One of them in particular is an incident report bundle. That's very interesting. Another one I found that I thought was rather interesting as well was a phone call tracker or a phone call log in addition to a custody log. So that is who their demographic is. Let me go back to the top, and we're going to do that quick math. 5,500 divided by 7, and they're getting about 785 orders per month. Break it down by the day, and this shop is getting about 26 orders per day. Now I want to show you their top selling item, and that's a 2025 mini co-parenting bundle. In the 8-month lifetime of the listing, it's brought in over 2,300 sales in only an 8-month period. It's had about 21 this month, but looking at it holistically in an 8-month time frame, over 2,300, incredibly impressive. Now I want to show you what they've earned. This shop has brought in so far $112,670, and the shop opened this year, April of 2025. Beyond incredible, beyond inspiring. And there you have it, 9 digital product shops that are all under a year old and earning anywhere from $28,000 all the way up to $112,000. There's no reason why they can't be you as well. I'm hoping that you're feeling motivated, encouraged, and inspired to get started today. Remember, like I said earlier, your future self could be thanking you a year from today. Don't forget that if you want to grab your free list of 25 digital product ideas, to go ahead and leave the word digital below in the comment section, and I'll make sure I get that over to you. And if you want to check out my online membership, I'll have that link below in the description for you. We would love to have you. The video on your screen right over here is a video that YouTube thinks you'll like. So I'll catch you over there. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.